guys, welcome to Beyond the Limits. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to do a back bend. Before we start, we're going to have to do a couple of stretches. So the first one, you're going to lay on your stomach and then you're going to bend your arms to where your elbows are pointing the ceiling. Then you're going to straighten your arms and you should be in a seal-like position. Do this for 5 to 10 seconds. After this, we're going to stretch out our wrists. So you're going to sit on your knees and then you're going to put your hands facing forward and you're going to lean back and forth. After that, you're going to flip them over to where your fingertips are facing you. Once you're done with that, you're going to face your fingertips inward and then you're going to rock side by side. After that, you're going to face in the opposite direction and do the same thing. Once you're done with that, you're going to repeat the process, but instead you're going to flip your hands over. Once you're done with that, you are going to cross your hands over and it should look like an hourglass. Do the same thing on the other side. Once you finish that, you are going to start shaking out your wrists. In this video, I did a couple more stretches, but you don't really have to. All you have to do is do the ones I showed you before. For the first step, you are going to need a bridge. So you're going to bend your arms to where your elbows are pointing the ceiling. Then you're going to slowly bend your knees and you're going to straighten out your arms in a way so you're moving forward a bit. When you start to push up, you are going to need to arch your back and straighten your knees. After that, you should be in the bridge position. So by looking at a back bend, you can see that my arms are up, and once I start to go, I'm slowly popping my hips out and arching my back until I get to the ground. If you don't have your hands up, this will happen to you. The first drill you are going to be doing is you're going to have a blank wall, and you're going to get in a bridge position to where it's kind of on the wall, and slowly you are going to step down, slowly arching your back until you reach the ground. Once you keep doing it, you should be able to do it in longer movements. After that, you should be only doing it in 2 or 1 steps. The second drill you are going to be doing is that you're going to take a chair and you're going to do a bridge, holding onto the top of the chair. You're going to slowly go down. After these 2 drills, you should be able to do your back bend, but if you still can't, you can always use a chair to help you. After that, you should be able to do your back bend. Anyways guys, that's a wrap for the video. I hope you learned your back bend, and if you did, make sure to subscribe, like the video, and turn on the post notifications, and make sure to stay beyond the limits.